In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix receiving someone else's iMessages and FaceTime calls on your iPhone. This is a pretty common issue, especially if you share an Apple ID with someone else or have recently acquired a new device. Let's go through the steps to get your iPhone back to sending and receiving only your messages and calls. First, we'll start by checking the Apple ID that's linked to your iPhone. Go ahead and open your Settings app and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see the Apple ID that your device is currently using. It's important to ensure this is your own individual account rather than a shared one, to avoid any mix-up with messages and calls. If it turns out to be someone else's account, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Sign Out. This will disconnect the account from your device. After that, log in with your personal Apple ID to make sure your information is secure and separate. Now that we've got the Apple ID sorted, let's move on to reviewing your iMessage settings. In the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Messages and then select Send and Receive. Here you'll see a list of identifiers that you can receive iMessages to and reply from. Double check to ensure that only your phone number and your own email are checked. If you notice any email addresses or numbers that you don't recognize, go ahead and uncheck them. This will help prevent any outside messages from coming into your phone. Once you've ensured that your iMessage settings are correct, let's do a final check on your FaceTime settings. Return to the main settings screen and scroll down to select FaceTime under the list of apps. Here too, you'll find a section labelled "You can be reached by FaceTime at." Take a moment to look through it and make sure only your phone number and known email addresses are checked. Again, uncheck any unfamiliar emails or numbers to stop incoming calls from reaching your device. Lastly, you'll want to set your caller ID. Make sure this is set to your personal phone number or email to properly identify yourself when making FaceTime calls. By following these steps, you should be able to stop receiving iMessages and FaceTime calls intended for someone else and regain full control of your own digital communications. It's crucial for your privacy and peace of mind to have these settings correctly configured. I hope this guide was helpful and aids you in maintaining control over your communication channels. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and guides.